Hello everyone. Today I want to explain complex sentences. Okay, what is complex sentences? It is a sentence which consists of a main or principal or independent clause. Okay, here a main means only one main clause or principal clause or independent clause, and one or more subordinate or dependent clauses joined by subordinators or connectors. Okay, is that clear? Complex sentence is the sentence which consists of a main, principal, independent clause. Okay, main, principal, independent clause means same. Okay, a main means here only one main or principal or independent clause. Okay, and one or more subordinate or dependent clause. Subordinate clause also called dependent clauses. Okay, joined by subordinators or connectors. Okay, the subordinate clause in the complex sentence is dependent on the main clause. See, one important note is the subordinate clause in the complex sentence is dependent on the main clause for its meaning. Okay, but both the clauses have their own finite verb. But both the clauses have their own finite verb. Finite verb means verb that changes its form. Okay, for example, tenses. Next, one more note. See, complex sentence usually introduced by the following subordinating conjunctions such as that, what, which, who, whom, whose, where, when, why, because, while, as, before, after, until, since, no sooner, if, unless, as though, although, though, whether, so that, as soon as, how, then, as if, etc. Okay, that means totally noun clause, adjective clause, and adverb clause, which subordinate or connectors we can see that all complex sentence. Okay, means if any one of this word in that sentence, then definitely it is complex sentence. Okay, noun clause, whether it is noun clause words, whether it is adjective clause, whether it is adverb clause, if any one of this word is there in your sentence, then definitely it is complex sentence. Next, listen how to form complex sentences. Okay, you have to create one main clause and one or more subordinate clauses and join them with subordinators. Okay, listen again how to form complex sentences. You have to create one main clause and one or more subordinate clauses and join them with subordinators. Okay, now listen one more thing, important thing. To convert simple or compound sentences into complex sentences, you use subordinate clauses like noun clause, adjective clause, or adverb clause. Okay, if noun clause, adjective clause, and adverb clause, any one word is there, then definitely it is complex sentences. Okay, now listen example. She is an illiterate woman who cannot even sign her own name. Okay, see this one, she is an illiterate woman, main clause, still woman. After that, who cannot even sign her own name, subordinate adjective clause. Okay, how you find it is adjective clause? How? Okay, in adjective clause, main clause we can see noun. Okay, now second example, say Kripa wrote a poem which won her an award. This one also subordinate what, adjective clause. Okay, and please do what John wants. Okay, here which noun clause, what John wants, noun clause, subordinate noun clause. Okay, main clause we can see verb. She was going round with the stick, which was her only support. This one also subordinate adjective clause, so complex sentence. Okay, the presentation that she made was excellent. The presentation was excellent that she made, this also adjective, subordinate adjective clause, so complex sentence. I will not go for the trip unless you come with me. Here unless you come with me, subordinate adverb clause of condition, that also complex sentence, this also. Okay, next, when you expect success you almost always get success. Here also which subordinate adverb clause of time. Okay, when you expect success, so this also complex sentence. Okay, in complex sentence you can see noun clause, adjective clause or adverb clause, then definitely it is complex sentence. Thank you.